promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my lovely channel once again. In today's video I'll be showing you viewers how I achieved this frontal look with no glue, just using my got to be spray and argan oil from Morocco, and this is a styling foam. So these two tips, these are what I used to achieve this look. I am not a baby hair person, and I know you guys will be wondering, OMG, how can you achieve a frontal look with a closure? I have never been a fan of frontals, just because frontals, whenever I make a frontal wig for my client or myself, I have to cut excess out, and we all know frontals ain't cheap, especially if you're buying raw hair extensions, raw hair like what I've got on. The Raw Virginia Boutique, which is my go-to hair company, this is the company I use for myself and my clients when making wigs for them. Use their new 7x7 lace closure, and I made the wig into this beautiful look. And if you want to know how I achieved this look, just watch this video to the end. I'll leave a link of that video right at the end of the video so that you viewers can have a look at how I achieved this beautiful wig, or how to sew a 7x7 lace closure wig with your hand. So yeah, this is raw hair. It's for a client. I'm making I'm making a wig for a client using this hair, and this is a natural wavy texture in the length 16 inches. Yes, it's 16 inches, and I really love this company. The reason why I love this company is that a lot of people say raw hair is hard to maintain, but I have a feeling it's just with Indian raw hair. There are so many different types of Asian countries. There are Laotians, there are Cambodians, there are Vietnamese. There are so many different types of raw hair. So if you had a problem with raw hair, it doesn't mean everyone is going to have a problem with raw hair. I personally prefer raw hair, just because with raw hair it has a natural shine to it, and you will only achieve this sort of healthy look once you wash and condition your raw hair bundles. That's the only way you see its natural shine to it. And also with raw hair, it has a natural look to it. So this is Vietnamese texture from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and I want to say I have a coupon code for you viewers, which is my name, Atibel30. You get 30% discount code when you use my name. In the description box below plus the name of the website, so if you are interested you can check it out. So and yes, you can achieve a frontal look with a closure. So if you are interested, stay tuned.